Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bonk. Your daily update. I mean, we're going to cover it again. We'll talk about what's going on, the market structure, what's possible so far. I mean, the basically what I said yesterday is still valid. All right, we haven't had much movement. Yesterday, what happened is that Bonk rejected the top of the range here. Because right now Bonk seems to be consolidating here between 17,500 and then at the top 22,500. And this is technically the situation, all right? So we rejected heavily off of the top, which is quite bearish, and we talked about that yesterday too. And now we're testing the bottom, which is technically quite strong. And psychologically, it's also a strong level. But you can also see that we're not getting much support from it. So what that means is that there's a higher chance at a bearish breakout, which, I mean, it's not too bad, all right? I mean, Bonk has been bearish for some time already, which, by the way, you would have known if you watched the videos. Because I still remember when I said that it was going to fall after the Binance listing, everybody was like, oh, no, well, not everybody, but some people were like, no, it's going to go much higher. Usually, guys, a Binance listing for a meme coin that has rallied for a couple of weeks already, usually that's the end. So right now, I mean, we've been quite bearish, and I'm not going to tell you that it's not possible to get another rally from here. But I don't think, I mean, if you like Bonk for the long term, I think Bonk is going to be great, all right? Solana is going to be in the spotlight again a lot. It still is in the spotlight. But meme coins on Solana will do great again as well sometime in the future, in the next year and a half. And Bonk will perform again, all right? So don't worry too much. I think a fall in the short term is actually pretty good. And that's also what I expect. Because, and I think I already said that yesterday. But Bonk right now, the thing is that there's just no real momentum. I mean, in the last day, the open interest has fallen down quite a bit more. We're getting into market circumstances where there's not a lot of liquidity, not a lot of momentum. So what I think is most likely here is that Bonk will get a bearish breakout. Look, if we're talking about this consolidation and you ask me what's most likely, a bullish or a bearish breakout, then I would say a bearish breakout. Because Bonk right now has been bearish, the trend has been down. Bonk itself has no momentum. Solana seems to have found some strong resistance, and Bonk doesn't react that much anymore to Solana. So I would say a bearish breakout. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that I expect it today. I mean, right now it really depends, because if Bonk, you can see there's this minor key level right here. I would say around 18,500. If Bonk is able to break above that, and that's a possibility, then we'll just stay in this consolidation, and Bonk will get back up to 20,500. And stay here, but eventually what I do expect is a bearish breakout. All right, so eventually I think Bonk is going to break down below 17,500 and drop down to 15,000 or the level around it. And then from there we'll see again. I mean, like I said, I think a drop is actually pretty good because if we're getting towards levels at 13,500 or 12,500, which is a possibility if 15,000 doesn't provide much support, then we're getting to levels which long-term actually do make sense to hold, all right? So I wouldn't say this is too bad, but this is what I expect. Whether I expect it today or somewhere next week depends a bit on if Bonk is able to break above 18,500, yes or no. If no, I expect this pretty soon. If yes, we'll just stay in this consolidation and this will happen later. But I'll keep you updated on that, all right? Those are my thoughts on Bonk for now. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group. Very valuable, but that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.